Hey everybody, it's Aaron. That's like double A Ron. And today I'm here to show you the Quik Shade Expedition 10x10 Instant Canopy. And one of my favorite things about this, besides the fact that it protects me from the sun, because today I'm sweating my butt off out here working on this car, so I'm going to make myself a little Quik Shade. The other thing is, I don't need help to set it up. I don't know if you've put up pop-ups or canopies from other manufacturers before, and you go to put them up and you got to be like, hey, can somebody help me? Well, there's nobody around. I could go knock on a neighbor's door, but that's kind of dumb. Thank goodness I have the Quik Shade Expedition, because I can put it up all by myself. Check it out. Boom, easy peasy. And just like that, I have over 64 square feet of shade. That's right. Oh, so much better. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Look how easy it is to move. Boom, look at that. Work area is nice and shaded. When you party in the Pacific Northwest, you gotta remember to bring your galoshes. Did you bring your galoshes, Shabo? You don't know, no galoshes here.